everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope having a great day. I have an unboxing today and a little bit bigger box than normal. Does anybody have any idea what I may have got as an extra gift? This is from my hubby Ted. He said to get this, so we'll go ahead and unbox it and see what I got. All right. Okay, it comes with a little bit different thing here. This is a little different. And see, the box is a little bit different too. So this may be new packaging from Pandora. I don't know. If you, any of you have new Pandora charms or anything like that, is the packaging like this? So let me know in the comments below. I'd be curious because this is all new to me. And the box is way bigger as well. Alright, and it came in like, see how big the letters are for Pandora? I've never seen these before. Okay. This is like, kind of like this is like paper. Alright. And there's no pink tissue paper. So maybe they're cutting back on all their packaging. Because usually they have, see? Usually they have the pink tissue paper all over the place. Huh, okay. And these must have the charms in them. Alright, that's a new box as well. And see, the lettering is really super big. Huh. Alright, well that is a new one. Okay, the invoice is still similar. And the return label is still the same. Okay. Alright. So I got a Pandora belt bag. I thought this would be kind of cool for just going around or whatever. It's pretty good size. It's faux leather. Has Pandora on it. Okay, that's pretty cool. And it's got a nice strap on it. Pretty good size, actually. Alright, let's see here. Alright. It's got stuffing in there. Alright. That's pretty nice. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
It says right. Pandora on it?
Yeah. Money day.
Alright. Load it up.
Yeah. Fill it up, yeah.
Alright, let me get my glasses on so I can actually see something. Okay, but see how big the letters are?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. And then all the charms come in one box. Maybe they're cutting down on, like, you know, they used to have all that paper.
Yeah, maybe.
Alright, so I got Dumbo. So I'm going to put together a Disney bracelet. So that's going to go on there. And let's see here. This is like a little, it says love and it's a little ball, and then that should go like in the middle of one of my bracelets. These work out really well. And I got this really cool heart that kind of started it. So that's the new shape for Pandora. They have these heart pendants. So I thought that would be really cool. And if you remember, I bought those two silver rope necklaces. So that's basically what this was for. It was I'm gonna do like one time I'm gonna use one, the other time like kind of switch them off. So yeah, so there's the heart one.
Oh yeah.
So that's pretty cool. And here's one of the flowered ones, which is pretty nice. It has like little red flowers. These are kind of hard to see, but you kind of get the idea. They're so small. I mean, they are pretty small. And here's another heart moon. And these are a little round piece too. Kind of show it like that, I guess. There we go. So I'm going to be putting some of my charms together, and I'll be displaying them on Instagram. So make sure you follow me at susansrstyle. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, ring the bell, all that fun stuff, because when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a brand new Loungefly. So you definitely want to ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. And this week, hopefully, I will have a Disney haul. So you definitely don't want to miss that. Yeah, that's what I kind of get an idea. Yeah, these are pretty cool. But yeah, the new packaging is pretty nice actually, because really, honestly, you don't need all that paper, and because I just use, what I do with the paper basically is I just wrap gifts with it. So, I mean, it works out good that way, but it's not really necessary. But these are pretty cool, actually. And you can reuse these. You know, you can just put whatever you want in there, kind of like a little trinket box. And you can always give these, or these also make great gift boxes, too. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. And until next time, thanks for watching Sue from Senior Style with the senior point of view. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.